Let's start question number 5th of exercise 5th C. Question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 11? First is 178. First of all, we will find the sum of digits at odd and even places separately. Okay, so it will be 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 and even place is 7 and 7 will be 7. Now we find the difference of these two numbers. 9 minus 7 is 2, and for a number to be divisible by 11 the difference should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay, but here the difference is 2. So 178 is not divisible by 11. 178 is not divisible by 11. Okay, because for a number to be divisible by 11 the difference should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Next is 847. So add the digit at odd places and even places separately. The sum of digits at odd places is 8 plus 7, which is 15, and even place here is only one even place, so it's 4. Now find the difference. Difference is 15 minus 4, 11. So here it's 11. So 847 is divisible by 11. Okay, because the difference is 11, so 847 is divisible by 11. Next is 1234. So first of all we will find the sum of digits at odd places. Okay, sum of digits at odd places, and odd places are 4 and 2. So it's 2 plus 4, which is 6, and sum of digits at even places is 3 plus 1, which is 4. Now difference. You will find the difference of odd and even places. Difference is 6 minus 4, which is 2. Okay. Now difference is 2. It's not 0 or a multiple of 11. So 1234 is not divisible by 11. 1234 is not divisible by 11. Okay. Next is 91,780. Now first of all find the sum of digits at odd places. Sum of digits at odd places, and odd places are this, this and this. So add these digits, 9 plus 7 plus 8, so it is 24. Okay, now you will find sum of digits at even places, and sum of digits at even places are 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay, the sum of digits at even places is 2 and odd places is 24. Now we have to find the difference, and difference is 24 minus 2, which is 22. Is 22 divisible by 11? Yes, as 22 is divisible by 11. Okay, 22 is divisible by 11. So 91,718 is also divisible by 11. Okay, so this is our question number 5th. Let's start question number 6. Question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 7? And first is 91. So what we do in the divisibility test of 7, we find the difference between double the last digit and the rest of the number. So double the last digit is double the last digit. When we double the last digit, we will get 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Okay, double the last digit is 2 and rest of the number is 9. Okay, the rest of the number is 9. Now find the difference. Difference is 9 minus 2, which is 7. And 7 is divisible by 7. So 91 is divisible by 7. Okay. This is A part. Next is 247. So double the last digit. Double the last digit is 7 2s are 14. Rest of the number 24. Okay, now difference. Difference is 24 minus 14, which is 10, and 10 is not divisible by 7. 10 is not divisible by 7, so 247 is also not divisible by 7. Okay, 247 is not divisible by 7 because the difference is 10 here, and 10 is not divisible by 7. Next is 3248. We have to check its divisibility by 7. So first of all, double the last digit. Okay, double the last digit. Here it's 8 and double will be 16. Rest of the number is 324. Now difference, you have to find the difference. Difference is 324 minus 16, which is 308. Now difference is 308 and we have to check whether this is divisible by 7 or not. So what we will do, we will apply this procedure again. Okay, difference was 308. Now again double the last digit. And double of 8 is 16. Rest of the number is 30. Difference 30 minus 16 is 14. Is 14 divisible by 7? Yes. As 14 is divisible by 7, so 308 is also divisible by 7. Okay, as 14 is divisible by 7, so 308 is also divisible by 7. And so 3248 is also divisible by 7. So you will write 3248 is also divisible by 7.